Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, as lot of you don't know. Asbo decided it'd be good to jump a tooth and knacker the engine. So after months of deliberation on what we're going to do, we now have it booked in for a full respray. We have a new engine and this is the start process. So with all the damp weather, as you can see, it's mould settled in. Absolutely disgusting, but we'll sort it out. All the seats are coming out, and then all the back it needs re-welding. Standing parts on many, seatbelt parts are gone. There's a hole somewhere down there that needs picking up.